Then 5 final inputs. 5, 6 announcement. 7 close. Say 12 approach. The act of it. Then you will call. 24. 124. Could you get the say what 24? 26. What 26? What 27? What 28? What 29? What 30?
What 29?
29. What 30? What 31? What 65?
Correct.
What 66? What 16? What 67? 67?
Present.
68?
Not sure.
69? 70? 71? 73? 96? 110? I think it is a lot. 109? 109? I think they call it what you should say about community. Yes, I should get correct. Yeah. We just say about
Commanders, morning. Commanders. Jigijela, okay, firstly, I've got the apology from the convener of the East, Commander Koleni. He has an emergency that came about. And then there's a apology from the deputy coordinator, Commander Tani. He said he might be late for the meeting. And then there's the apology from Iwat 31. Both the coordinator and convener could not make it. But we are going to the coordinators and the constituency is not here. Amanda.
Any apology? Okay. So that's not clear. The possibility, the other 27, April, the white key. At least just going to be away every next activity. If you promise us again, I will say that I'm not Kaki will feel called. Who says that I'm putting a 27, the white fig. Goes where you want to sleep, you are the smoke is in East Saturday, but basically, it is the man, why you have it that we need to. I was kind of since they see way for what you will say, I Jali. Yabuzo stairs if you call percentage of Kushana Nani, I put it easy to about to pay the Wabuzo pay.
Apologies, Commander. Commander Choiruba coordinator, so this thing of convening, it's a bit new to hear. So yeah, the presentation is going to be made by myself. On the 27th of April, I'm sure it's a public holiday, and I know most of us resonate with it because it symbolizes the Freedom Day. But according to Umkhonto weSizwe, it is called not yet Uhuru Day because we are not yet free. So what is going to happen is that the entire region, organizer Usankara has promised to uzoyenza a program in the east because it is one of the most vibrant sub-regions as you call it. So they had located and identified Iwot Date, Labazoyenza Kona program because of the late Owar Tambo. And we know Wuti he's been claimed by which other political party I call. So the presentation goes as follows. There's going to be a door-to-door at the center of this event, which means to all commanders, all comrades, VD coordinators, whether umfundisi inter-religious, whether whether you are someone lay a province but you belong in the east. That means each and every one of us are going to do it door-to-door. So this is an intense program that's going to mark us as Umkhonto weSizwe because after elections, most of the words are lala. I know some of the words they continued, but Ubi revive the spirit to move away from the ordinary we're going to do intense door-to-door. This will allow us to be in contact with our voters. This is a check here state of readiness towards the 2026 local elections, comrades, because we know that cities will a 2/3 majority during our elections were national. Somehow, some of us believe we did attain the 2/3 majority, but we're going to prove again that we are able and we can. So that is why we are in contact with our voters. There's going to be cleaning and painting of identified elderly people's houses. So it was tasked with the leadership, the convener and the coordinator, together with the VD coordinators, identify as per VDs, izindlu that have elderly, even child-headed families, whereby they're going to clean and paint those houses. So that report will get it from IFINCOM in terms of resources that have already been collected. Part of the program, there's going to be a drill. There's going to be a drill from the military veterans to demonstrate our presence in the area. So we know usually kuma programs maswahamba baye babekhona laba bamachai mina ngabuza ama-foot soldiers abanye ama-toy soldier because canales. So yeah, babe bebatrila in and around just to demonstrate ukuthi Umkhonto weSizwe ukhona, and you know it's part of the activity yokuphula in a crowd towards the event that we're going to have. There's going to be other registration stations that will be led by sub-regions. for different areas, new and old voters. So each and every sub-region must have a tent. Each and every sub-region must have a laptop. Each and every sub-region must have Wi-Fi. And then it must have people who are computer literate, people who are fast in admin, who are going to help the community and even our own members, because we might be sitting here and only to find only a few are real members of Umkhonto weSizwe. Abaningi bathi ngama-10 rand giving ama-motorcade, and then it has lapsed, siyaz. So we need to renew membership in order to say thina sama-volunteers Umkhonto weSizwe. So part of that program is also to ignite the spirit. So if you're a real cadre, Umkhonto weSizwe, you ought to have a full membership page. So that is the task that we're going to discuss Nathi as is at the center of this event. Who is going to be in charge of sub-regional registrations of membership? We must know how many laptops can we get from the house. How many people are computer literate who will help with this program? And then sazi ukuthi nabanye volunteers abazoloko baqhuquzela abantu ukuthi beze kuleyo tafula. Remember sitting an order on that day. For other sub-regions to follow suit, yithi kumele ukuthi sibambe i-order on that day. And it's going to start with the most crucial part of the program, which is e-voter registration or e-membership registration on the table. Sizongena kuyo Commander for your Kuma-Road delegations. We're going to have a session of traditional and religious leadership. Akere we know when we conduct anything in Umkhonto weSizwe, when we do such, we bound to have our leaders way to go forefront. So they're not going to be there at a display. Even when we were having a call, if you call this, we are a new group, MKP Medics. So this is a group of all healthcare professionals, whether be home caregivers, our doctor, your paramedics, your nurses, your psychologists, whatsoever. So they will be part of the program. What then they will do, bazo check out e-health status of our members who are willing to check. Whether kona nabo gogo kona lapaya elokishini or abaseduze bazoya babathatha your vital signs, your BP, check your sugar levels, check whatever that needs to be checked on that day. So now they will be part of this program. What they had then requested from Iwo State per se is that badinga amagazibo I2 neitulo ezili-15. So lapho in that area now they'll be in a designated area kuzobe kunane ambulance on that day. Labazabe bakhona nakhona sizocela ukuthi kube ne-order because bazabe baconducta izinto personal information, and it's very confidential. So siyacela ukuthi nathi as sub-region we must demonstrate the order in order for other sub-regions to follow suit. There is also going to be a clothing giveaway. So impahla used new, as washiwe, as clean, stay soft, nsipho zopha abantu abaselokishini. Then Iwo State had identified ukuthi izoya kuma informal settlement. So I know what I'm talking about, a lot of activities, but that is where e-role delegation is going to play. Remember, we've got leaders in all structures. There's sub-regional leadership, there's ward leadership, there's EVD leadership. So all of those people need to come to play and do a job, but they need to report under e-convener, the coordinator, who is going to delegate to okay, e-ward coordinator and e-ward convener, 67, 68, 69, maybe you in charge of la kuzabekuna matende wama sub-region wonke. E-ward 70, ward 71, 70, what man leadership, maybe you'll be in charge to oversee what happens around communities, and then so forth. There's going to be a giveaway foods, Yama food parcels, I-40. That is the ambition that the region has. So if you come now, just need a report logo, the identified elderly people or the child-headed families, as you call it, according to the report those are going to be dispersed to them. But obviously, so what I'm trying to shy away from, commanders, is that kube ne-disorder yokuthi even when kuthathwa ama-food parcel, ahambiswa na those people who are delegated to go and give away those food parcels. Sicela ama-commanders, they must stay away from ukuthatha ithole. We don't want this narrative ukuthi just because uphe ugogo i-fish oil 250 meals, so ngathi sotshintsha umhlaba. You understand? So we don't want that. And Tina, we are not a party that buys a vote, but sinobuntu. So it's in a sense it's giving away to say since no ama Easter, Tina abanye siwodlile ufish, abanye badlile bo ramthuthu, but gogo asazi ukuthi wena nonani kwakho. Here is a token of appreciation from Umkhonto weSizwe. So that is the summary in a nutshell of the POA that's going to happen May 27 April. But just as an add-on, if the House allows, because the coordinator of Rule 30 is at the core of this presentation, can he add, if Mina could say something, because we've had two plenary meetings and we are yet to have a follow-up tomorrow. So he can just highlight what Bona is the word, their state of readiness.
And before Slovenia, south, and east, the sub-region, they're strong. This is strong. That's why yes, so Sakra Makumba to Amakazibo, Manuela, walk Amakaziba, accord, lying east. Abe Agupi as a in terms of the grade. Utibura, Ukondo, the vice president as the and then Nabazos and Awa, Amakasi, but Chinese, Nachimeli, skipping on Amakazibo, skipping on Amapena. So my name is Obanias Cobra, Mamma, Naboy Kazibo, nearly assisted in Silashing, Sarah, so many nights the east. SARS which okay, maybe must figure out the program. So why need the SARS community to ask the east isn't to say to Zijani, the state, because in terms of the planning, it's very important. This is my TV, your prayer that you need to I submit comments.
Several comments. Yeah, it's so far difficult, but I'm not difficult with everyone there. So I call them a class. If you call me, I was saying that almost to the tailor is it Domanzi, Zombies. I like to move in, but what about bananas? What that you see to jump as well.
Okay. It was just to tell you predictors so funny. Here, I was told for at least remele meeting before it was Alright. Thank you. Okay. Firstly, we were requested to buy medicine, and then medicine are covered. They wanted medicine 3,000. So medicine are covered, and then again privately t-shirts. Say 3,000. We're having a problem. 3,000 t-shirts, it's 150,000 K. Income, we are on a zero budget. So, to follow 3,000 t-shirts, it's a struggle. But yet, at least 300 t-shirts are going to happen. Okay, the t-shirts in not yet Uhuru, 27 April 2025. Okay. And then nebabata 6 pence, 20 to 30 pence. We manage to depends as FinCom. They 10, 20. The reason is we having a problem with more kokota bafandiwa kitchen. So it's a problem, but we're trying our level best. But hopefully by Thursday, the Georgia report is solid, sharp, but it's promising. Peace and stability, but donated 72 bottles of water. So we added to that 3,000. And then Sub-Central, he donated 100 bottles, and then the 220-liter pen. And then go Far East, but donate 1. Ne? And then go East, Commander Colin Mashiku, aka Commander Knight, at donate pen 1. We might get taxis, we might not, ne? For the whole region. Ne? Remember, Rasalco is 0 budget. So, regarding taller, but feedback is right. Little taller on Thursday. And then, who is the notices covered? Oh, we are not there.
Yeah, some people
yeah. But here, we got 0 budget. So, we trying for the but feedback is writing. Little taller on Thursday. And then the sub-regions, including us, Barfile reporter of Seba donated the aparo. Never so donated the aparo, Babatile the aparo for Wapo. So, Lina again, if one of the aparo, tailoring Linalito, Mara, the aparo tailoring Mutu. Utoi apara. Luena we shebile so kasi apara wena. So tse ngeke we apare tse jwang ra kopa tene. Ra kopa di aparo tse bonahala. Thank you. Health teaching we are encountering problems donations, but we trying by all means as if income for at least reforce up until total donations. Baba Marsha Pamato, Baba Fandiwa, Baba Party Samari, Bafandiwa, I would say GMU, because it's party straight. But by our Fandiwa, but we trying by all means to at least push it and then remain sharp for event. And then, yeah, we hoping for the program to be a success. Le harna di challenges that chalete, but we hoping and praying for it a success. And then the Nalili stalls for people Babatlang Burekisa. P200 trade. So whoever Batlang Rekisa, whatever Batlang Rekisa, Diaparo, Italian, so these and other things. And then they are welcome. They can contact Commander Solo, and then Kitom Neleta the banking details, Tita Fincom, Bakini Treletico Fincom. Yeah, and then Kiki report here for now. And then Yahusani I can't disclose, hence Kijutori.
What donated band? Which you know, Commander Colin. I pinned the Commander 9. So, Anana commanders, Nias which are used of particular, putting them in the house on Caesar half.
I have to get my questions, or raise my questions, then to begin.
Okay, commanders, I think the deputy will have their session after, so that we have the entire, we consolidate everything about E27, then after okay, commanders, who wrote delegation? I wanted this to be a session where we engage one another. The reason why the invite had special attention to AMA world coordinators and conveners, even their VD coordinators, is that most of the time we want to see Utama world a functional gas. Because it's of no use to every time we come to sub-regional meetings, it's only the world coordinator and the world convener. But AMA VD coordinators, they're not taking any accountability of some sort. And AMA resource, we need to check from VD level so that we are ready for 2026. As Ukomanda Ashilu Utinga in the Rayama Gazino, each and every VD, so this will show us that as it is lama deployees ayi-2 aku-Fincom mele ayosebenza kangakanani kule financial detachment yabo committee ku-region. So I want to check how many wards have amagazini that will be readily available for the program in 2027, because we must not find ourselves overshadowed by other sub-regions in terms of gazebos. My program is like this. I believe with East Ifan, East ERP, so izobonakala nge-visibility nange-branding. So how many VDs? How many wards? Owazi ukuthi ewardini labo banamagazini. Ngicela niphakamiseni izandla usho ukuthi iward bani ayingakhi so that I can note them down. And in terms of the role delegation, it is your responsibility when as the ward coordinator, if I equal, or the ward convener, if I equal, that particular person or Commander Master.
Amanda. Wait, you. Forward, Eastern Sub-Region forward.
Forward.
Commander, this is Commander Smart said from 165, interim coordinator. 165, this guy 2 ward gazebos that is
Okay. Okay. Commander Snazo.
Commander's morning. 168, 3 gazebos.
Yes.
3, sorry. Yes, 3 penas.
3 penas.
Sorry.
And then gazebos.
We only have a gazebo.
Okay.
2 gazebos and 1 banner.
Thank you. And then what's 66? What's 67? What's 65? Only what 31 is got 1 gazebo and 1 banner. So that means in totality we've got 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 gazebos in the East sub-region.
On top of my head.
I Commander, that is not true. Commander Spencer?
I'm not sure if we might ask from all commander to declare activity present. Because there's other 3 gazebos, especially with Sagla, a sub-region which are here, you and other 7.
I too,
But there's 3 of them.
That means as leaders, Ms. Balasonke, as leaders, we have been sleeping on the job. Because part of campaigning of Mkhonto is visibility and branding. So it cannot be again, so you're voting stations. Sit there, sibukela amanye amagazini or so akhwaka sithi akekho ugogo la I'm going to sing the very same song. So ama-ward conveners and ward coordinators, and I'm speaking nama-VD coordinators as well, there's nothing wrong with trying to fundraise at a VD level. Even if when we go to your own ward meetings, who's one ama 5 rand, ama 10 rand, I can assure you it's not only about t-shirts, but also about our visibility outside our voting stations. So Master usebenza kakhulu in terms of sibe namagazebo commanders. Next time we need to have more than 100 gazebos in the East. Because we might be shocked on Saturday when we find the South, when we find the North. This bulldozing, we've secured a very big space because we're going to put our gazebos as per our sub-regions. So that now we are a South, we have some comrade was a South, so that we are familiar. Then do you put njalo sport asisodwa. Uthulu vele uzomthola nomhlalenkulu. Uthulu vele uzomthola anodeclare uzomthola no Arafat. We need to engage other commanders from other sub-regions. Maybe sizoyithola formula ukuthi bona benza njani. Because at the end of the day, I know we've got manpower yabantu ukuthi i-financial muscle ikhona la eMkhontweni. To contact to Commander Sibiya wase-Wardeni, so that wonke amagazini azokwazi ukuthi abebuye, because ayosetapha ngo-6 except the program iqala ngo-7. So bakwazi ukusetapha, and then when the wards get there, they'll be responsible. You have to allocate one person who will be responsible for the gazebos, because as soon as it's not about gazebo 6 now, so that song is the ones who pay because it does not serve justice. I have an petrol, but you are using the very same petrol to get there as an individual. So Mazamini with this process, and then I was hoping Commander Mfundisi will be here. Commander Monk, because he belongs to the East. Whether he's in the region, he's supposed to attend sub-regional meetings as a member of the Konto Season. And fortunately enough, Commander Boyo, Ula, because, yeah, the whole delegation here was going specifically to them to say, commanders, we know. Give back to Mkonto, because this is the time for you to show Sikona la exist. So I'm sure as Commander Boyo. Hey, that's what you're saying about this. You have to rock up. You task aside the Commander Boyo, you engage your fellow colleagues. You engage your fellow colleagues. Njengoba wena uza na 4, nesicela ukutaska ukuthi ibe equivalent. Uza mini 4 kubo bana laba sibabali. Abayi-8 la east 4-8. And then abayi-8. Angisho wena 4, we 1 una 4. Bona ke angitshela ngomonke kumele eze nawo umonke ne asho savumelana Commander siyababopha kule meeting angisho thank you very much. What else? Okay, ngicela those who are going, who are saying ukuthi bona they are really on that day ukuthi babe ku registration sub-region in terms of membership and the renewals who are concerned. Okay, Commander. Hello. Okay.
Assistant man, leyo party leyo
uthatha wena ngithatha ufethu usisi lapha enzansi khoneni ingane yakho sala la
Commander personnel ukuthi uCommander uMhlaki uye wathi kunoCommander oyiwansa shaya izandla kanti mina was confused because uye wafaka amagama ethu umuntu oyi-1 ngathi nabantu bahlukene uthe uCommander Colleen also known as 90, but mina ngimazi ukuthi uCommander Colleen is also known as Ulontuza. So angazi noma bekasho uCommander 90 noma bekasho uCommander Colleen. Sizokwazi ukuthi sishaye kahle izandla kumuntu oright.
uCommander Colleen.
Commanders, oqala nje ngothanda ukuthi nyabo ukuthi akuphilanga amalanga amade sembili and uyakugeza mnandi indaba and futhi zabalekile ngichaza uComrade Duma lapha uComrade Igima ngathi konke kuclear and I'm happy for that. La ngizothanda ukuthi ngiyele khona commanders bezocela ukuthi angazi ukuthi mhlawumbe maningama libheke indlu then ningitshela ukuthi are you satis, if anikho satis then nakhona I think kumele understand ukuthi kungani. So commanders, I'm very worried ngale ndaba ukuthi wenze ilona ama-credentials in terms of ama-award. Ukhona la ama-award bewangekho makubala la, but I'm happy because of khona abanye sebekhona. Ward 20, I think it's 73. Yeah. Then Yati 24, Yati 25, Yati 28, Yati 67. Then mhlawumbe abanye bazongixolela mhlawumbe banobayangena. But now ngicela ukuthi ni sub-region. Ngicela ukuthi ngithathe inote of that. Ukuthi kungani? Because of if ngibheka invitation ngitshela ukuthi kunama-coordinator and coordinators. Then ithi kunama-VDs. Then if ever kunama-coordinator and conveners, then kumele understand ukuthi lama ward why ungana coordinator and convener. Then kumele kube caution yenu and kumele nize ngaphambili nisinikeze ukuthi ithini apology ye ward 20 banibani I coordinator and convener why bangekho. I think it's very much important ukwenza kanjalo. Then so wazi ukuthi sithole ukuthi ama credentials wala ma ward useparate ayingaki. Then sikorrelate kangaki. I think kubalulekile. May us understand the commanders ukuthi if ever I-ward ayina coordinator and convener, then which means akunama VTs, then angeke kube nani nama-party agent lapho. Ama-party agent which means awekho. Then if ever sothi i-ward 24 kune-coordinator and convener, then sozibuza ukuthi ngeyi-29 zikaMeyi beku-abobani ama-party agent. Then which if ever the information is legit, may us understand ukuthi the legitimacy yale information isinikeza ukuthi ku-BD1 eCrystal Park endaweni esikolweni esithize ama-party agent wabo abantu abathize. If ever singabo labo bantu, which means information omkhonto or ama-stats wange-29 zikaMeyi nge-2024, which means bekuyifalasi. Ubani lo beka-connecta lawo ama-stats womkhonto wesizwe. If ever bengasama party agent nama VDHs, if akuna ma-coordinator and convener kuleyo ward, then kufanele ukuthi niwarishele njengoba nihleli lapho ukuthi inze kanjani. Then siphinde ukuthi sibe surprise ukuthi kusasa njengoba sihleli la sekuthiwa kusasa sihola umuntu ose-24 or sihola umuntu ose-28 usihola bekakuphi sonke lesikhathi. Mele sibe worried. Mele sibe worried commanders. Kusasa sekuthiwa umuntu i-coordinator or sekayi-convener ye-sub-region or sekayi-organizer sekahola abantu.
I-question leyo engicela nani nizibuze. Asingabi ni-personal kwezinye izinto, asingafuneni ukugubha izinto ezingekho. Asikhuliseni umkhonto wesizwe siwise phambili. Masofuna ukubheka ezinye izinto ezisemasayidini, asiyiphansi, instead sisafuna abantu bahlale phansi.
No, ngiyabonga comrades. Angithi lana siyabonisa. Yes, I think mhlawumbe ngawo sizokhuluma ngifuna mamela ngifunda ngithathe emvuka thatha amfuzakhe. Yes. Kusephambili. Into ngeke kusise phambili, angeke phela kusephambili.
Thanks siyabonga.
Uzathi ukuthi ivia kayikhulume esilapho phambili. Mhlawumbe uzosiqeda kompletely. Yabona sikabheka ukuthi ile fana. Ngiyayizwa into shots. Ngeke ngakhe. Sikusha sathi tulo ngandaba. But manje sikuyekele lo. Sifocus on yabona. Yes.
Angihlosi ukubila. And angikhulumi ngegama lomuntu. Into engayithandi inokukhuluma ngegama lomuntu. But into esibonisana ngayo, ile ezosibuilda sisonke and izobuilda lama-ward. And izoyenza sure ukuthi i-2026 siyawina. Because of if ever commanders, akuna ma-VDH, akuna ma-party agent. Commanders asinda. I'm telling you. Yes, ngakhuluma senze but kodwa asinda. Ne? So bengicela ukuthi kubo bonke ukuthi mhlambe ahlala kahle kubafowethu or mhlambe kuma commander wethu. Commanders bengicela ukuthi understandeni ukuthi lento engiyikhulumayo into ezosisiza kusasa. Uma ngabe kusasa uzithola sokuthi mhlambe kule video kuyo akuna ma party agent uzokhumbula ukuthi konje umhlali kule wayethini. Angifaki igama lomuntu. Ngifaka kule nto le kuthiwa masikhuluma ngenamba yokuthi 2000 so idobha singala ma VDHs commanders ngicela ukuthi understand 2000 members ekufanele ukuthi baye ku program, but we are saying now no, let's not talk about that. And however yiyo le eletha ama numbers kule nto esikhuluma ngayo commanders. So ngicela ukuthi si understand
manje wethu commanders I'm going to be very short. Okokuqala chairman ngizocela ukuthi whenever we're having meeting situations, i-principle yokuba nama-meeting, ama-comrades stela phaka amafuna ngoku-silent comrades. Please, and bangansara ama-calls while we're in meeting. Bas excuse, that's high moral and discipline. Number two, sometimes whenever there's questions that arises, direct meeting in with agenda and the purpose of the meeting. Because I'm a comrade that we have the meeting goes in that direction. And then number three, I would like to say, this thing, I'll come back to thank you. I know which controversies started from zero market, from when we started it. In controversies that have been running through the pockets of the Congress. We fought for Uguti, we have a seat at the parliament. So now, my question is one. Comrades at the parliament, we know that from the IEC and all that, Uguti, I'm going to add a certain percentage from the parliamentary MPs and all that, Uguti, by us, Uguti here, because this is where we are. I'm a comrade, we are an organization from zero budget. I want to even 80%, those people are getting paid. Uguti from that 80,000 level, I will have 56s now. I want to 30% whenever I keep me I'm a program, so fundraiser, or whatsoever, reaching. Comrade, when I say what about us still running the organization through our own pockets? Because you never run an organization and a program without financial. Comrade class, when they need to raise those things so that it should go up. Our comrades, you know that they are aiming. We are not saying what they are aiming for us, but for the organization, that 10% from each and every MP,
if our device, I divide the transport comrades, it what? If I get in a pick-up points, why comrades? Abantu basethatha basicoordinated i-transport yabo, and then ngapha mama-table asicoordinated because comrades kuba buhlungu ukuthi thina sikhiphe i-transport like the last time sikhiphe i-taxi 8 or 7 but yama endaweni erong. Abo comrade bama ithwathwa ku-4 endaweni ezi-4 bayokubala indima and abanye bagcina benze njani bagiva kuhlale lento omkhulu bahlala bathi transport bheka sesini from ngo-7 until ngo-9 so kuzoba easy ukuthi ithwathwa isicoordinated ifake ama-pick-up point wayo ithwathwa ingahlangana eDevitton ukuze abantu i-transport ibathathe ngesikhathi abateksi awu-8 commander point and then esibili comrades indaba yokudla comrades le-reaching nje in front of abo-comrade people bakhona comrades esumkhonto wesizwe lento kungasakayibambi kahle yokukhethela for people ngasakayibambi mangaphela comrade the last time phosphorus it was a disaster. As black people we can't be seen stotsana ngama-plate ngama-takeaway when there's programs comrades siyajabula abanye sidinga nekudala siba excited and then sibe excited in-a-minute sesikhohlwa nezinto ezincane sesiyafika comrades MK spend into kangoku umuntu ongazi abamba ibrush empilweni yakhe ongazi ukupenda kunjani nge-27 siyapenda kusasa ugogo nengane zakhe zithi mara nkosi yami MK yenze ngiyangithola comrades ukuthi so these things are very important comrades and i-reaching what the reaching is doing comrades yile nto ukuthi we must learn from the reaching ukuthi even ama-OT e-68 e-79 what the reaching is doing we can also do for ourselves comrades singayiyenza isicaba but if comrades sizoyenza wrong we are going to set a wrong principle laba abalwa nathi jeni ngizothi akashele abantu benzayo so in terms of e-painting comrades it's very important ukuthi si-identify abo-comrades abane-skill sibafune ema-holding bakhona abo-comrades abangekho emkhontweni but bazothanda ukuthi yazi at least umkhonto yase-recognize usibizile ukuthi siyoshowa i-skill sethu not ukuthi lapha siyo-excited abanye yongicela ukupenda sishinza abantu injanjani comrades and then lento nikhumbule whatever going to do e-outdate izosala ne-outdate i-68 izobe ihambile 69 thina sesisele abadala okusho sesosala senze i-damage control sesipendile abantu nenjanjani so asizameni comrades ukuthi sibe mawazi ukuthi akwazi ukupenda hlalela esayidini uyazi wakwazi ukupenda asifuneni abantu ema-wodini abo-coordinator nama-convener nama-vt coordinator abafuna abomapendana bakwazi ukuthi beze lapha kulo thina abanye sasiphuzela i-coordinates comrades iqiniso lelo but on the day comrades akusi ilanga lelele akusi-motorcade akusi-festival comrades if sekudala sayigcinanga sesi-east sesibuyela sesiyinto eyi-1 comrades abo-comrades abasiphethe abadrafte iprogram ukuthi maybe singama-hoti sovashana ama-hoti so zenze ukuthi besizenza kuma-motorcade comrades ukuthi sijabule siphuzele utshwala this time comrades siyoyenza i-voter contact cabanga sengifika lapha mina nomngane wami Arafat sesitakwe egodini sisoncenga ivota because senza i-door to door soncenga ivota and umngane wami sekathi mara siba sesicedile because sesijahe into ejahe leyanto yethu kanti kumele si-understande community ukuthi lapha soyenza i-voter contract so kumele sibe discipline singabi sibe sober minded because sometimes masesiphuze lezi zinto unokona u-1 ngathi u-3 kanti u-1 you understand the